So in question 30, we're given this two-planet system, and we're told they have equal densities, and we need to see where the potential is going to be the most negative. So if they have equal densities, what that means is that we can look at the mass ratios. So we know that their mass is going to be proportional to their volume because their densities are the same, and density is simply mass over volume. And we know that the volume of a sphere is proportional to r cubed. So what we can see is that mass is proportional to r cubed. Now, if you remember that potential is minus gm over r, if we plug in r cubed over here, we will see that the potential is proportional to r squared. So we also know that the radius of x is larger than the radius of y. So what we will see is that it's going to be more negative on the surface of x. So we already know that it's either going to be c or d because the radius of x is larger. So Vg will be larger, so it will be more negative. Remember the minus sign. So, and then we also need to consider the contribution of y. So the potential is going to be like this. So we will need to add the potential at C due to the planet Y, which will be proportional to this distance. And we could also do it with point D, which will again be proportional to this distance, but we want to make it as negative as possible. So if we have a smaller distance, this fraction will be larger. So we will subtract a larger number, and therefore the potential will be more negative. And that is why the answer is C.